If you want to change the font in ChatGPT, the first thing to know is that ChatGPT itself does not give you a built-in font picker. So if you want a different typeface, like a Monospace style or a Serif font, the easiest way is to use a browser extension. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to change the ChatGPT font, and I'll also show you the quickest way to access the tool every time you open ChatGPT. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Chrome Web Store. If you use Firefox, you can also check the Firefox add-on store, but in this tutorial we'll use Chrome as the example. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type either StylerGPT or ChatGPT Font Changer. These are the types of extensions that let you customize the appearance of ChatGPT in your browser. After you search, look through the results and choose the extension that matches what you want. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. If you see a confirmation pop up, click Add Extension to approve it. Your browser will then install the extension automatically. Now that the extension is installed, go to chatgpt.com in a new tab. You should see ChatGPT load as normal. At this point, look at the top right area of your browser toolbar and find the extensions icon. It usually looks like a puzzle piece. Click that icon to open your extension list. If the ChatGPT font tool is not easy to access, pin it so it stays visible in your toolbar. That way you can turn it on or open it quickly whenever you use ChatGPT. Pinning it is especially helpful if you plan to switch fonts often or adjust the look of the site later. Once the extension is ready, open it and apply the font style you want. Depending on the extension you choose, you may be able to switch to a Monospace font, a Serif font, or another custom style. After you select the style, refresh the ChatGPT page if needed, and the new font should appear right away. If the change does not show immediately, don't worry. Just make sure the extension is enabled, pinned, and allowed to run on chatgpt.com. In some cases, you may need to reload the page once or twice before the new font becomes visible. That is completely normal with browser extensions, and that's it. You've now changed the ChatGPT font using a browser extension, which is the most practical way to customize the typeface right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.